Hey guys, it's Dana with Festively Frugal, and today I am here with 3 of my kids. I'm here with Abigail and Eliza, who are our 2 big helpers, and Benjamin's here to join us also. So he just wants to hang out, so he's just going to hang out today. So today we are going to be making one of Abigail's specialties. Abigail, what are we making today?
I'm making strawberries, chocolate strawberries.
Chocolate strawberries. So we are going to be dipping them into almond bark, which is a type of candy. So they're technically a chocolate candy covered strawberry, but we like to use that better because regular chocolate can seize in the microwave if you overheat it. It becomes really hard to deal with, and it becomes really hard to deal with if you don't know how to add oil to it or to have it harden again. So we have found almond bark to be very kid friendly. So Abigail has been doing this for a couple of years now, and it's a great project for kids to do or for kids to do with friends when they come over. So Abigail, first of all, what do we need?
So we would need almond bark or whatever candy things you would need.
So we could use white and make it like pink or red or whatever, right? Okay, cool.
And you could have sprinkles and other toppings, of course.
We have like graham crackers. Yeah. We've had some friends do like Cocoa Krispies or different cereals like Fruity Pebbles, and that gives it a really cool crunch too.
And of course we would need strawberries.
And we like putting them on baking sticks. That way our fingers don't get so gross and it's easy to twirl around without getting your fingers hurt by the warm chocolate.
And we have some of the white chocolate almond bark to drizzle.
There you go, to drizzle over it. So you can make a chocolate one and then drizzle some white on it. We also put some wax paper down. That way it will set up on the wax paper and come up really nicely off, and it also makes it for a really easy cleanup. So we are going to head out real quick, and we're going to microwave the chocolate or the candy, the almond bark, for about a minute. And then if it doesn't work, if it's not hot enough after you stir it, then you can go for 15-second increments. So we're going to go ahead and go melt that. Now that we have melted our chocolate, everyone show me your chocolate or your candy, your almond bark. And we also swapped Benjamin out for Anna. So Anna decided she wanted to help us dip some strawberries. So you guys can everyone grab a strawberry on your skewer, and you can go ahead and start dipping it in your chocolate. And you can dip it in your white almond bark or your chocolate almond bark, but you do want to make sure you swirl it around so that way your entire one can get covered. And the great thing is if you still have your spatula, you can use your spatula to gently cover it up also. Then whenever you are done, you put it on the wax paper, and then while it's wet, that's the key, while it's wet, you put on whatever toppers you want, whether it's sprinkles or graham crackers. Thanks guys for joining us for another edition of Festively Frugal with the family. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know if you guys choose to do this for Valentine's Day activity, whether it's with friends or with the family, or you let the kids do it too. Let me know what your favorite toppings are. Abigail, what's your favorite topping?
My favorite topping is sprinkles.
Sprinkles? What's your favorite topping, Anna? Eliza, what's your favorite topping?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Do you guys just like all of them?
Yeah.
Are they
Graham cracker and sprinkle.
Okay, did you guys have fun making them?
Yeah.
Okay. And as always, don't forget to stay festively frugal.
Bye. See you next time.
All right, we're all done. Oh, I forgot you, big one. You're stuck. You were stuck to a spoon.